Thank you for looking into Up and Running in Real Estate. This is a quick start program for the new agent or the agent that wants to regenerate his or her career. I do have a little warning for you though. It's not for the person that wants to dabble in real estate. This program is a result of my years of study and my experience as a top agent who sold 50 homes in her first year in real estate. So this is a program to get you a sale fast. So let's take a deep dive into the program now. Now let's take a run through of what Up and Running looks like and how it's organized. One of the biggest concerns agents have, no matter how many years they're in the business, is time management. And I think a lot of that comes from the fact that they get a lot of training, but it's never put into context. When I'm speaking, I ask my audience, what percent of agents do you think have business plans? And they always tell me less than 20%. Well, boy, when we go into real estate, we are in business for ourselves. So you would think that the first thing we would do would be to make a plan. But no, that's not the first thing we do. We generally go to a lot of training, learn lots of good stuff, and don't know how to put it in context. So I flipped this 180 degrees and started you with the business startup plan. So let's now just take a look at what Up and Running looks like. When you open the program, it's in 8 sections. You do 1 section per week. I'll tell you real quickly what's in the sections, and then I'll show you one. First, the first section is your business startup plan. I've shown you how to put one together, and I've given you a full prototype plan. So for Up and Running, all you have to do is to follow the plan. So I've shown you what to do and how to do it. So there's a little training there. So week 1 is an introduction to your business startup plan. Week 2 then starts expanding your business. Now, agents tell me they want to make a sale fast. Most agents want to make a sale in their first month. That means that we have to talk to lots of people really fast. So I want you to make money fast, not because of the money, but because of how it makes us feel. When we're successful, we want to do more. So I want you to be successful. So in week 2, you're going to be expanding your business by starting to talk to people and putting together your client management program, CRM. Week 3, you're creating your listing system. And week 4, you're continuing that. So you're going to be packaging and practicing and systematizing so you appear as good as a 5 to 10 year agents. And then week 5, we switch to the buyer and we do the same thing, a pre-first visit package, a buyer presentation, and then working with the buyer through week 6. In week 7, we introduce the effective open house. Why? Because I know that a lot of you are going to hold open houses. It's a great way to meet people, and I want to help you optimize the effort. And finally, week 8 is telephone techniques. We do a lot on the phone, so it's all there. By the way, as you go, you're going to create a marketing plan and run it every week. So when you meet these people, you're not going to lose them. That includes social media marketing also. So that's what the weeks look like. Why are these things here and why aren't some things here? Well, because I know what you need in order to start making money fast. I know what you don't need right now. I also know what you're going to get in your office as you go through the years in your program. So the things that you need are the things that you need here to launch a business fast and nothing else. So let's take a deeper dive into what a week looks like. When you click on a week, this is what you see. Basically, you see a menu of what's in the week. So this week, we're starting to develop the listing system. And so I have a video on how to do it. I have how to develop standards and then some sales skills that you'll need in order to do this. Then we start working with objections, and I teach you how to create what I call an objection buster. So those are all the things that we do in week 3. So all you have to do is click on one of these areas and it will take you to that. I'll show you, for instance. We click on creating objection busters. It shows you how to create the objection buster and then has you create some objection busters. The same menu is on your left. So let's go back now, because one of the best things about this is that I also have a checklist for you to follow every week, so you know exactly what to do, you know when to do it and how to do it, but most important, you know why to do it. So let's take a look. You have a video here. Let's take a look then at what this looks like when you're deciding what to do that week in order to make money fast. So here are all the things that you have attached for that week. Oh, I have to go back up here to show you week 3. Here's the action plan. Now, the cool thing about this is that for you managers who are coaching, you'll be able to see your agents' work every week in their Dropbox, because there's a Dropbox here where they're going to put their work in the Dropbox. And you can coach that agent every week to these activities. So agents, what you're going to do is go through the program and check off that you've done these things. They're the lead generating things, they're the marketing things, they're tracking, their organization, and then all these actions to complete. Is it a lot? You betcha. Why? Because I know you want to launch a business. You don't want to just dabble around. So that's what it looks like in each week. Now let's go back and take a look at the last thing I want to show you, and that's the calendar. Not only are you getting coaching with me, and hopefully your coach in the program if you have a coach, but I'm going to show you the calendar every Monday morning. It's morning for me because I'm on the West Coast. We do a live Zoom call, and you're going to have an opportunity in that Zoom call to ask me questions. You're going to have an opportunity to tell me your wins for that week and your challenges. And I also give you new material that's not even in Up and Running in Real Estate. Everyone that's in the program and coaches are invited to attend. The program is 8 weeks, but you have actually 16 weeks to finish the program and be in the program and take part in these live calls. So that's an extra benefit, which is more coaching with me. That's the program. I assure you that you start this program, you will create a successful career. So I hope to see you at Up and Running in Real Estate.